Hello everyone. So I want to share some my memories with you because I just celebrated my Lohri festival. I am from the Punjabi family, so that's why I have know the ritual of this family, and I want to share my moments with you. So you are my viewers, my learners, so that's why just having with you some words. So actually, Lohri festival, as you know, we celebrate it in our India. Usually, we celebrate in northern part of India, most of, and it is like Punjab, Haryana, and the family do not know the ritual of this festival, but it doesn't mean they can't celebrate. Even though they don't know, still they are celebrating to have fun, to just break the daily routine and just capture this joyful moment. So I am from Punjabi family. So how I celebrate my Lohri festival, I just want to share with you. So, like first of all, when the day start of the Lohri festival, we usually wish each family member eat to each other, and our relatives we post, we message the Lohri festival wishes. So everybody feel happy to get the wishes of this festival, and we start with happy mood, because with jovial mood everybody was thrilled to celebrate this festival in the evening. And in the evening we start to lit the bonfire, and before that we started preparation, like we buy some muflis, gachak, til and sesame, because it is the offering. So first we offer in the bonfire when we lit the bonfire. And all this memorized my old days, my salad day, my child day. When we were child, we usually celebrate like this. And but one thing is missing here, that when we were child we went to door with the folk song of the Lohri. Sundar Mundariye ho, Tera Kon Vichara ho, Dula Phathi Wala. We usually used to sing this song and beg the Lohri door to door. And we last in the end we usually used to say that San Deo Lohri Tuadi Jive Jodi. Then every family, most of the family gave some gifts, sometimes Mungfli, Gachak, and sometimes some money, to say that we children celebrate with the own way. So the family who didn't give us anything, and then we usually used to say like this, hukka by hukka kar pukha, means to say the moment we urge this sentence, everybody burst into laughter. And like this way we usually celebrated this moment in our childhood. So after that I'm back to my present day. So we started to just lit the bonfire, and we offer the gachak, mufli, til, sesame and popcorn. We just put in the bonfire and take the round around this bonfire and pray for the prosperity and warmth of love, harmony and togetherness. So after that we sat around the bonfire to get warmth, because it's the winter festival. To get warmth, feel everybody relief from the chill and cold, and everybody like to sit around this bonfire, getting the prasad like mufli and all this, having this. We had this, and then after we did bhangra, we just danced on the beat of the dhol, bhangra, kikli, and we enjoyed a lot. And of the family, someone blessed with the newly born child and newlywed couple, then they definitely throw the grand party. And after completing this ritual, these families usually throw the party, so that, and they invite their guest relatives to have this blessing in their own way, to celebrate their own way. So it is the Lohri festival. We enjoyed a lot with the beats of dhol, bhangra, kikli, and we can say gidda, and doing like this. And our grandfather and parents usually gifted us like, well, new dresses, sometimes some money, so that in the family the kids and children stay happy and feel the sense of the festival. So we usually all the ritual complete with the barefoot, because it is the symbol of the worship also, and the sense of the reverence also. This festival has a great importance in our Punjabi family, so we have great reverence for this festival, and we enjoyed lot. And like this, we did lot of bhangra, and we till midnight at 3 o'clock we end up with this bhangra. And after that we enjoyed, and we captured this moment in my phone, and now I will cherish this moment forever. So like I celebrate my Lohri, and I just want to share with you, so that I thought I would make a video, and like this I would share this my moment with you. I hope you will like. Thanks.